Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find birthday settings on your account on Roblox, easy and quick. First click here, now click settings, and now click account information, and now here we'll find it. We'll find your birthday settings. You can verify your age, and that's it. That's how to find birthday settings on your account on Roblox, easy and quick. And that's it for today. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching until the end, and see you in the next video.